Here at Lloyd Range Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic, finished in Fuji White paint, with 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include black exterior pack, LED headlights, front fog lights, deployable side steps, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. As we enter now beneath the powered tailgate, we can see the load space with the rubber mat, 60/40 rear folding seats, and the parcel shelf. As we enter into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sliding panoramic roof from the inside. We have the suede cloth headlining, and we have the Ebony Perforated Semi-Aniline Leather seats, which come fitted with ISOFIX Chad seat mounts, and on the centre console we can see the rear climate controls. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian sound system badge on the door card, as we turn into view the heated and cooled massage front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the heated steering wheel button as well as the adaptive cruise control. We have the interactive driver display, heads-up display, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the rear camera display, as well as top-down 360-degree view. On the lower touch display we can see the heated and cooled seat controls, as well as terrain response, the gear selector, and the ride height buttons. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.